Hi, my name is Sasidhar and I'm here to demonstrate my project called Graph Maker. It is a tool that is used to convert a clickstream data that is received from a website to a MBT format JSON file. MBT means model based test, and it is a automatically testable file that is made by recording a functions of a website and replaying it, and we are receiving the clickstream data from a data under the test. The clickstream data consists of the mouse, the touches, mouse clicks, and keyboard inputs to a website. These are generally used analyze the user actions, which is profitable for businesses, and we are currently using them to profit the developers, as the developers and testers often meet to test the web pages and app developing. This is a hard task when we are trying to automate this task. The tool that I have made is built upon Spring Boot framework, which is made in Java. I have chosen this framework as there are many test webs available. The test websites I have used are Task Manager, which is a task manager website, and we can create tasks, assign them to users. And another website is Clinic, where we can register pets and their owners and assign them to veterinarians. I have chosen these test websites as a much easier and to test, and also some complicated elements. Now I will start demonstrating my tool. I have started it on localhost, and we'll access it by booting up the file. This browser, this task manager website is a first website I'm going to test and show it to you guys. As you can see, this task manager with several functions. First of all, as soon as I open this website, a session is started in this store with the name of this website. Here we can see task manager is a name of a website, and the MBT format consists of two terms: vertices and edges. Edges are any action that is done by the user, such as clicking mouse, inputting tests, and vertices are the resultant of the state of the edge actions. When we click extreme, the website loads. As an example, when we click on a login button, we'll go to login page. The clicking of this login button is registered as an edge, and the state of the website is login page is loaded as the vertices. And when we click any button, any occurs in this website, this is sent to us to which will be done to be recorded into a JSON file. And now we'll go on and perform some action to demonstrate the tool in action. I will log in as admin. Now, as soon as I log in as admin, I click the button to log in as a button. I've submitted the username and password, and after that I've reached the profile page, which is the page you can see that here. And now I'll go to the assign task page. It is shown here that I've linked assign task button and reached the assign task page here. And we'll go to the other. We'll create it to task, new task, and we'll choose a day, and I will click on submit. We can see here that I've created a new task, name DS, description DS, and I've submitted it. After submission, I've reached the task reach place, as you can see. Now I'll click on a button. As you can see that I've checked this button, which is called data briefing document, which is the name of this tasking. And now we'll go to about page by clicking about button. As you can see, I can about button, I am about, and the keep alive request has been sent. It has been sent every 3 seconds to keep the current recording session alive. And when I close this tab, the keep alive request will stop being sent. And after that duration of 10 seconds, the recording session will be stopped, and the file will be stored in a hole. To visualize this file, and we open a website GraphWalker, and we can access it using localhost by localhost. I'll load the test until now, which is the task manager. And as you can see, these are the steps we have done. This is a model based test to graph. The first we have to visit the home page, clicked on a login button, went to a login page, and these are all the succeeded actions we have done during running this website. Similarly, I've also modified another page called Pet Clinic, where people can register their pets and send them to a veterinarian doctors in order to test them. Now I'll start the Pet Clinic website. Load it up. Localhost. This is the Pet Clinic website. This is several actions such as veterinarians, find owners. This is the same session is started under its name. Now I will also some other actions. I will find an owner. Add an owner. I will add an owner again, and the owner's information is stored. All this data is also stored into a data file. And now we'll also run some other actions, and we'll close this website right now. After that, keep alive is timed out. Keep alive request timed out, so it is stored in as an output. Now we should visualize this. This is the output of the test we have done. This can be replayed by GraphWalker 2 and then used to perform automated test. This is the scope of my Pro 2. And now the technical challenges I've encountered during this project is choosing the platform to develop my tool. Since there's existing websites that I can test, but I've choose Spring Framework to develop the tool. And advantages of this work and tool is that until now the clickstream data is only used to get analytics, and now it can also be used for automated testing website. And handing over this project for my juniors, I advised them to make HTML elements compared to this tool. Until now there's only few elements like buttons and forms and checkboxes and are compatible. I would advise them to also add some support HTML links. This is about my project, and thank you for giving the opportunity.